Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 13 and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. Now to get started you'll want to open up your contacts application, so make sure you open up the standalone version of it. There we go. Took me a little bit too long to actually find it. Anyway, from here you can see I am logged into a Google account. This does have a little bit of meaning, but I'll get to it once it actually will be important. Anyway, to get started you want to select Fix and Manage, and then you will select Import from SIM. This will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default they should all be selected as long as these contacts don't already appear in your contacts list of the location that you will be importing them to. And like I mentioned, I am logged into a Google account, and that is where the device will usually opt into importing the contacts to. But that is not the only option you have. You can also tap on this dropdown and select, well, other Google account, but also you can import the contacts directly to the device itself. Now, if you choose to import contacts to a Google account, these contacts will appear on any other device that is signed into the same account. But if you import it just to this device, they will stay only on this device and nowhere else. Now from there, you can select Import. It will ask you a stupid question if you want to remove the copy of the contacts, meaning the ones that are on your SIM card. I do not recommend doing so, just because if you remove them, they get completely deleted from your SIM card and stay on your device. But if you reset your device, you don't have any copy of these contacts now, right? So the contacts staying on your SIM card doesn't really bring any disadvantages. It's not like they get in your way. It's not like they're showing up as a duplicate, but they're there as a safeguard. If something would happen to your phone, you can just take out a SIM card and have entire copy of all the contacts that you have saved. So it would be best to keep them, in my opinion. Now from there, once you import your contacts and you go to Contacts, then we can tap right here on this icon, select Device, and this will then show me all the contacts that are on my device. Obviously I could have selected Google account as well, but I selected the device as an example. But no matter which one you select, these contacts should appear in the selected location without any kind of problem. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.